Hi everybody, welcome to Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Today I'm going to be making some mini pepper poppers. You wouldn't believe how many times I had to say that to get that right. Basically, we're using some sweet mini peppers. I'm going to load that up with some Philadelphia with garlic and herb in there. Use some real cheap bacon. This is Streaky, so just wrap it around. But before we do that, put some crayfish tails in there, mini crayfish tails. So it's going to be an interesting recipe. Stick around, have a look, and I hope you like it. So I'm just going to run over my ingredients again. I've got some chili peppers for me. They're only mild ones, or medium, they're not that hot. Sweet mini peppers, because my family don't really like hot food. Just some run-of-the-mill bacon, streaky bacon, some crayfish tails, and some Philadelphia garlic and herb soft cheese. Also for this I'm going to need one sharp knife and a spoon to scrape out the seeds. So let's get to cooking. So to cut this pepper, you just take it to the tip, pull it along the body of the pepper, cut down, and that gives you a nice tray to hold the crayfish tail and the Philadelphia. I'll show you how to do it again. Take it from the tip to the top. Couldn't be easier, could it? I'll carry on doing these and I'll see you in a second. Now here's a special chili one. I'm going to give that the exact same treatment. Tip to top. Definitely going to scrape the seeds out of that guy. And take a spoon, just a normal teaspoon. Get these seeds out. Make it nice and steady, there's no rush. Got to get a good cupful. So that's sort of like holding it all in, holding the Philadelphia in. And that'll be marvellous later on. Get these seeds out. And that, job's a good one. I'll show you another one. Just go in with a spoon, nice and gently. Take off all of this white stuff, because that white stuff will be bitter. You don't want to be eating that. And if you're doing it with habanero or whatever chilies you like, just get the seeds out, because unless you like it super duper hot, you're going to be in for a surprise if you don't. So there's another one. As I said, my family, they don't really like spicy things. I like spicy stuff, but this is for the kids and the missus, so, you know, gotta love your family, ain't you? I'll just do this one last, then I'll crack on and do the rest of them. See, nice and simple, super easy. Take your time. Also try and clean as you go as well. I don't really like a bit of a mess around here. So I'm going to tidy that up and start some more. So here you can see I've emptied out all of the contents of the peppers. Next up, I'm going to take a bit of crayfish tail, lay them in the bottom. Oh, this is a big juicy one. Relatively big juicy one. Put them in there. I think this one needs a couple, doesn't it? That's it. Now we just stuff it with Philadelphia, so I'll get my spoon. Let this come up to room temperature, by the way, so a little bit easier to handle. Whoa, look at that. I've got a feeling these are going to be absolutely delicious. Take off the excess. Oh, there's the crayfish. Let's put him in. So put this cream cheese, Philadelphia, in here. Like so. Oh, where are we? We'll try that again. You can see that thing's going. Right. So put the cream cheese, Philadelphia in. Get a nice firm sort of push. Don't take up any space. Level it off a bit. Next stop, bacon. We'll do the same again with this one. Yeah, job's a good one. As you can see, the crayfish tails are in the peppers. Look at that. And they're going to be covered up with the Philadelphia. Like this. Then we're going to wrap them up in bacon, which we're going to do in a second. But don't they look good? I can't wait to try these. Okay, so I've got some nice, cheap, thin streaky bacon down there. Got the pepper. We're going to wrap it up. So, wish me luck. It's not too bad for a first attempt. Squish it down a bit. And put him off to one side and give it another go. I'm going to take some bacon. And just flatten it out a bit. As I said, you want really thin bacon for this, so it's easy to work with. I'll try a different way this time. Move it along a bit. Oh yeah, that's 10 times better. I think I'll twist this one back on itself, cover that bit. And then we'll be good to rock. I think what I'll do is probably use some toothpicks to secure them in place. Well, I'm going to crack on and do the rest of these, and you lot have a beer or something. So there we go, here's some peppers all wrapped up. I've got to be honest with you, I've made a bit of a schoolboy error. I had some bacon sandwiches this morning, so I haven't got enough bacon to wrap these up, but that's okay. I'm going to cook these out on the queue, pop out and get some bacon, and do the rest later on. So let's get out to the grill. So the grill is absolutely screaming hot. I'll plop these on indirect. in 20 minutes. Just line them up across there. See what happens to them. It's falling to pieces. There's just some leftover bacon that I'm going to eat in a minute. Now 25 minutes into the cook, let's take the lid off and have a look. Oh wow, they're not looking too bad at all. See if we can zoom in for you. Yeah, they're looking pretty decent. I think they could probably do it a little bit longer though. Might turn around the other way. See how they get on. Also, give them a dusting down of this stuff because it's banging. Right, so I've just been giving it another 10 minutes. Let's see what's been happening. Oh yeah. So these guys already come off the grill. They look and absolutely smell amazing. I can't wait to eat these. I'll get them plated up and show you inside. Right, so here they are, all done. Got to give them a go. They look delicious. So here we go for a taste test. Oh god. It works really well. You've got the saltiness of the bacon, the sweetness of the pepper, the sweetness of the crayfish tail, and then the garlic and the herbs in the soft cheese. Oh, you gotta give these a go. Now, so good. I tell you what, if I could give you one bit of advice about this cook, make more of them, because they're so nice. I'd like to give a shout out to my man Johnny Mags. He's just renamed his YouTube channel. I'm going to put the link up in this video, so hit the card, go check his channel out. He's a good guy. Also shout out to Charlie Pickles, there's top guy as well, and Judy Ann. There'll be a link up the top. So that's it from me. Over to the outro. Right, thanks for watching my video on mini pepper poppers. Please do hit the subscribe button up there. Check out these videos down here. If you like what you see, leave a comment below, that'd be amazing. Thanks for watching, see you again soon. Hi everybody, Ryan's